Grab your hands, and from here, lady is going to rotate, starting with the right leg, rotating clockwise. Right, left, left, and on the right leg to reach to the side, same as we did before. While rotating, you will keep holding both of your hands all the time. As you can see, they will end up in the right position anyway. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth step, let go with the right hand. Left hand keeps holding the man's hand. Reach with the right hand to the side. Transfer the body weight on the right leg. Remember about bending your knees. Remember about keeping your spine straight and taking small steps. Man is going to lead the lady's rotation above her head. You will first lead with your right hand. Transfer the body weight on your left leg so you can reach easily. Then continue the rotation lifting your left hand, lowering the right one. Go back on your right leg. Connect your feet. Let go with your right hand. Then bend your left knee, push off the left leg to take one final big step to the side and reach with your hand to the right. Like this. So man's steps are going to look like this without the partner. You will transfer the body weight on the left leg, on the right leg, connect your feet, one step to the side. Simple steps. Obviously, you will have to combine that with leading the lady.